What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today I have a question from a Antsy Kid 24, and his question is, my Chevy Avalanche 4x4 service light blinks. What does that mean when I try to put in my two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive? It just blinks at two-wheel and it doesn't want to go in. Well, I am going to give you some options and hopefully this can help you coming up. What's going on, guys? My name is Ryan. Thank you all for showing up, and for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Ryan, so make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button when you get the chance. Now, Antsy Kid, thank you for the question. Let me see if I can guide you the best I can. So usually, most of the time, it's something really simple to fix and it's free. Go underneath your driver's dashboard, because I think you told me you had a 2004 or 2002, which is same year as mine, 2004. Go under your driver's door on the chassis. On the side of the chassis, there's two ground wires that you're going to see. I actually have a video on how to do this, so I'll link it up here. But what you do is you unbolt the two wires, take a wire brush, wire off the rust, because I know there's rust on there, and put it back on. And then once you put it back on, then you try it again. And if it works, there you go, problem solved. Basically, the corrosion and the rust from the road salt and stuff stops the connection from it going in and having problems. One wire affects the starting of the vehicle, the other wire affects the 4x4. So I don't remember which one's which, but just take them both off and clean them. What I did to prevent that from happening again, because it does happen again, is I cut the two wires and I routed it all the way up to my engine bay, soldered it, routed it up to my engine bay, and then I grounded it up there. That way I will not have an issue again with that anymore. And since then, my vehicle has been working phenomenally. I have not had an issue with it since, and yeah. So Antsy Kid, I hope that answered your question. If it does not work, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know. For those of you guys who watch the channel and might have some explanation to help him with for other things, guys, jump right in the comment section. It's always recommended for you guys to do that. I love to hear what you guys have to say, and we all help each other out like a family should. So thank you all for that. With that being said, Antsy Kid, please make sure you like this video. Everyone else, like the video for the YouTube algorithm. And make sure you subscribe if you're not considered a subscriber yet. And I will see you all for the next one. Peace.